BMW technicians usually need the ICOM NEXT interface for diagnostics, but today we will test whether the Tabscan T6 Pro Max can replace it while also supporting many other vehicle brands. Unlike traditional interfaces that are limited to a single brand, the Tabscan T6 Pro Max supports multiple OEM platforms. It works not only with BMW, but also with Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, Audi, Jaguar, Land Rover, Porsche, Volvo, GM, Toyota, Honda, Mazda, Ford, and many more. In the previous videos, we introduced the device and tested its connection with Mercedes-Benz. Today, we will test the Tabscan T6 Pro Max with BMW Diagnostic software and see how it performs in real workshop operations. Now let's begin. Device connection. First, connect the Tabscan T6 Pro Max interface detection. Once connected, the device is detected in ISTA and works in ICOM mode. Full vehicle scan. Next, we perform a full vehicle scan to read all control units and fault codes. During this process, the system scans each module and displays any stored errors. Clear fault codes and verification. After the diagnosis, we clear all fault codes and perform another scan to verify the result. As you can see, the Tabscan T6 Pro Max communicates smoothly with the BMW software and maintains stable connection during diagnostics. The device provides a stable connection and supports professional workshop operations. In the upcoming videos, we will test this device with other vehicle brands and explore more advanced functions. If you are working with vehicle diagnostics or programming, make sure to follow the channel. Thank you for watching.